Hi, PG with MarineMax of Houston. I'm aboard the 2019 Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. What a great boat this is. Got twin 200 Mercs on the back. A really nice bench seat in the back, but it folds completely out of the way. So if you're fighting your fish or docking or whatever. Nice bait well made into the Deluxe helm seat. You'll notice we have large fish boxes on each side. Plenty of rod storage throughout the boat. As we move forward to the helm, you'll see we have some really nice drop-down bolsters, tilt steering, plenty of room for custom electronics. And by the way, here at MarineMax, we do custom rigging on any kind of electronics you want. Doesn't matter what brand it is, we carry it here. We do professional installations. Great T-top. Notice the color on the side or underneath. Matches the hull color. We've got a smart box for your electronics. A really nice head compartment. But on the way to the head compartment, check this out. We've got a drop-down trolling seat on each side. So you can be trolling for your fish right under the shade of the hardtop. This boat has plenty of seating in the front. We have it removed now so you can see that we still have a non-skid fishing deck. Electric anchor windlass. That's a great feature to have on a boat. Nice deluxe bench here. Armrest. Plenty of drink holders. I don't really know of anything you couldn't enjoy doing aboard this 250 Outrage. Come check it out at MarineMax in Houston. I'm PG. I'll be glad to help you.